हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पर। हम इस वीडियो में 50 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे। हर 10 सेंटेंसेस शुरू में शो होंगे, चाहो तो उनका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो आप। चलो दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैं रात भर काम करता रहा। I kept working whole night.
I kept working whole night.
जहां तक पैसों का सवाल है, मैं किसी पर भरोसा नहीं करता। As far as money is concerned, I trust no one.
As far as money is concerned, I trust no one.
तुम्हें यह कहानी किसने सुनाई? Who told you that story?
Who told you that story?
वो तो सबकी माँ निकली। She's turned out to be the mother of all.
She's turned out to be the mother of all.
किसने भेजा है उसे? Who has sent him?
Who has sent him?
लेकिन उन्हें कौन समझाएगा? But who will make them understand?
But who will make them understand?
तुम्हें सबक सिखाना ही चाहिए। You should be taught a lesson.
You should be taught a lesson.
तुम मुझे सुबह से बदनाम कर रहे हो। You have been slandering me since morning.
You have been slandering me since morning.
कम से कम वो मुझे कॉल तो कर सकती थी। At least she could call me.
At least she could call me.
पूरा मत खाना। Don't eat it up.
Don't eat it up.
गुड जॉब दोस्तों, हमने 10 सेंटेंसेस फिनिश कर दिए हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट के 10 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे, चाहो तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। अगर वो आता तो अच्छा होता। Had he come it would have been better.
Had he come it would have been better.
अब कोई क्यों आएगा? Why will anyone come now?
Why will anyone come now?
रोहन ने यह पार्सल आपके लिए भेजा है। रोहन has sent this parcel for you.
Rohan has sent this parcel for you.
क्या तुम मुझसे किसी चीज को लेकर नाराज हो? Are you angry at me about something?
Are you angry at me about something?
वो उतनी दयालु नहीं है जितने उसके पति। She is not as kind as her husband.
She is not as kind as her husband.
तुम भीगे कैसे? How did you get wet?
How did you get wet?
कहाँ से शुरू करूं? Where do I start?
Where do I start?
वो तो वहां जाएगा ही। He will obviously go there.
He will obviously go there.
मेरे पापा वहां रहते थे। There lived my dad.
There lived my dad.
आज धूप निकली है। It is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
गुड जॉब दोस्तों, हमने 10 सेंटेंसेस फिनिश कर दिए हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट के 10 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे, चाहो तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। मैं तुम्हारी तरह ज्यादा भाव नहीं खाता। I don't act so pricey like you.
I don't act so pricey like you.
अभी भी दुनिया में कुछ शराफत है। There's still some decency in this world.
There's still some decency in this world.
इतनी डरावनी मूवी थी। It was such a horrible movie.
It was such a horrible movie.
कौन-कौन से आइसक्रीम फ्लेवर तुमको पसंद है? Which all ice cream flavors do you like?
Which all ice cream flavors do you like?
आप कैसे हो? How are you?
How are you?
यह दिन बार-बार आए। Many happy many returns of the day.
Many happy many returns of the day.
क्या पूछना चाहते हो तुम? What do you want to ask?
What do you want to ask?
वो इस समय अपने ऑफिस में काम कर रही है। She is working in her office at the moment.
She is working in her office at the moment.
अपनी नाक साफ करो। Blow your nose.
Blow your nose.
वो आपसे बात करना चाहता है। He wants to speak to you.
He wants to speak to you.
गुड जॉब दोस्तों, हमने 10 सेंटेंसेस फिनिश कर दिए हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट के 10 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे, चाहो तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। ये गंदा तरीका है। This is a bad way.
This is a bad way.
क्या हम मूवी देखने जा सकते हो? Can we go to watch movie?
Can we go to watch movie?
चाय ठंडी हो रही है। Tea is getting cold.
Tea is getting cold.
उस लड़के के साथ ठहरो। Stay with that boy.
Stay with that boy.
मैं तुम्हें किनारे बैठ के हाथ हिलाता रहूंगा. I will keep waving at you from the shore.
I will keep waving at you from the shore.
शायद वो तुम्हारी मदद कर सके. He might able to help you.
He might able to help you.
मैं आपके साथ जो भी गलत किया मैं उस सब के लिए माफी मांगता हूँ. I apologize for all the bad things we have done to you.
I apologize for all the bad things we have done to you.
यह मेरे लिए बच्चों का खेल है. It's a child's play for me.
It's a child's play for me.
क्या तुम उसे रुलाते हो? Do you make him weep?
Do you make him weep?
शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
गुड जॉब दोस्तों, हमने 10 सेंटेंसेस फिनिश कर दिए हैं. अब हम नेक्स्ट के 10 सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे. चाहो तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. तुम जोर जोर से खर्राटे ले रहे थे. You were snoring loudly.
You were snoring loudly.
गुस्सा मत हो. Don't get angry.
Don't get angry.
तुम दोनों में से कोई नहीं है जॉब के लायक. Neither of you fit for the job.
Neither of you fit for the job.
गरजना रहा था. It was thundering.
It was thundering.
अगर एक कदम और लिया तो मैं तुझे जान से मार दूंगा. If you take another step, I will kill you.
If you take another step, I will kill you.
भाई संत से कम नहीं है. Brother is no lesser to a saint.
Brother is no lesser to a saint.
कोई कसर ना छोड़ना. Don't spare any effort.
Don't spare any effort.
मैं खिड़की से तुम्हें देख सकती हूँ. I can see you through the window.
I can see you through the window.
क्या तुम कोई बिजनेस करते हो? Are you in business?
Are you in business?
वो मुझे क्यों मारना चाहता है? Why does he want to kill me?
Why does he want to kill me?